The table below gives information about the salaries of secondary or high school teachers in 5 countries in 2009.
The given table chart compares the salary according to experience of the faculty in 5 different countries, namely Australia, Denmark, Luxembourg, Japan, and Korea in the year 2009. To commence, in Luxembourg, teachers commence their careers with a substantial income, starting at 80,000, nearly double that of other nations. Over 15 years, this figure escalates significantly to a remarkable 112,000, with attainment of a stipend of approximately 139,000 necessitating extensive experience. Conversely, in Australia, the initial salary is akin to the minimum wage in comparison to other countries, beginning at 34,600 and plateauing at 48,000 after 15 years. Similarly, Denmark offers a starting salary of 45,000, reaching its peak at 54,000 after only 8 years. Moreover, in Japan and Korea, novice educators receive salaries around 28,000 and 30,500 respectively, which double after 15 years to approximately 49,000 and 52,000. Furthermore, Japanese and Korean teachers must wait 34 and 37 years, respectively, to attain their maximum salaries. In summary, Luxembourg offers the highest payout, albeit requiring the longest duration to achieve it. Conversely, Australia provides the lowest take-home pay among the mentioned countries.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.